Hello and welcome to Ninja English. We will learn how to have basic English conversations slowly and clearly. Let us begin the video. Hey there!
Hi, what's up?
Hey there!
Hi, what's up?
All good. You?
I'm fine, thanks.
All good. You?
I'm fine, thanks.
Busy morning?
Not too much today.
Busy morning?
Not too much today.
Did you sleep early?
No, midnight again.
Did you sleep early?
No, midnight again.
Feeling tired?
A little, yeah.
Feeling tired?
A little, yeah.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, some eggs only.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, some eggs only.
Do you like tea?
Yes, every morning.
Do you like tea?
Yes, every morning.
Sugar? Oh, no sugar.
Just a little sugar.
Sugar? Oh, no sugar.
Just a little sugar.
Is it sunny today?
No, looks cloudy.
Is it sunny today?
No, looks cloudy.
Are you going out?
Yes, after lunch.
Are you going out?
Yes, after lunch.
Where are you going?
To meet a friend.
Where are you going?
To meet a friend.
Who's the friend?
Emma from school.
Who's the friend?
Emma from school.
A long time no see?
Yeah, almost a year.
A long time no see?
Yeah, almost a year.
Did you miss her?
Of course, a lot.
Did you miss her?
Of course, a lot.
Any plans tonight?
Maybe just rest.
Any plans tonight?
Maybe just rest.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, best days ever.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, best days ever.
What do you do then?
Watch shows or sleep.
What do you do then?
Watch shows or sleep.
Do you like music?
Yes, pop mostly.
Do you like music?
Yes, pop mostly.
Who's your favorite singer?
Probably Taylor Swift.
Who's your favorite singer?
Probably Taylor Swift.
I heard her new song.
Yes, it's amazing.
I heard her new song.
Yes, it's amazing.
Do you play guitar?
A little, still learning.
Do you play guitar?
A little, still learning.
Any pets at home?
Yes, one cute cat.
Any pets at home?
Yes, one cute cat.
What's its name?
Milo, he's naughty.
What's its name?
Milo, he's naughty.
Did he eat yet?
Yes, just finished.
Did he eat yet?
Yes, just finished.
Do you like animals?
Yes, all of them.
Do you like animals?
Yes, all of them.
Be sure to like and share this video. Let's continue now. Do you cook well?
Sometimes, not always.
Do you cook well?
Sometimes, not always.
What can you cook?
Fried rice and noodles.
What can you cook?
Fried rice and noodles.
Do you eat spicy?
Yes, love spicy food.
Do you eat spicy?
Yes, love spicy food.
Did you wash dishes?
Not yet, later.
Did you wash dishes?
Not yet, later.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, for a bit.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, for a bit.
What show now?
A travel one.
What show now?
A travel one.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe Japan someday.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe Japan someday.
Do you like beaches?
Yes, peaceful and calm.
Do you like beaches?
Yes, peaceful and calm.
Ever been to one?
Yes, once before.
Ever been to one?
Yes, once before.
Was it fun?
Very fun. Loved it.
Was it fun?
Very fun. Loved it.
Did you take photos?
Yes, so many.
Did you take photos?
Yes, so many.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, almost daily.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, almost daily.
Do you post often?
Not really, sometimes.
Do you post often?
Not really, sometimes.
Any new messages?
Just from a friend.
Any new messages?
Just from a friend.
Did you reply yet?
Not yet, soon.
Did you reply yet?
Not yet, soon.
Are you free later?
Yes, after dinner.
Are you free later?
Yes, after dinner.
I want to call then.
Sure, let's talk.
I want to call then.
Sure, let's talk.
All right, later then.
Okay, see you.
All right, later then.
Okay, see you.
Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Take care and goodbye.